Elbert is with Ande, and he's been standing now about probably 7 or 8 minutes on his own. He's been talking. What would you most like to say to Ande right now, Elbert?
Real glad to be here. Say it. I love this place. All right. Me too. I say that every day I come, Elbert. What else you want to tell me? What else? You love to swim? Well, say it. Say I love to swim. All right. Especially when you gotta put your face in and blow bubbles. Yes?
It has been
Are your
a
arms
truly
getting tired?
great day. Are you tired, Elbert?
Are your arms getting tired? Yeah, there you go. One arm, relax it. Ooh, isn't that nice? Yeah, yeah. Stand on your legs instead of your arms.
And the thunder rolled.
There to sing a song about that.
A day at Huntsville Pool Land Therapy with Ande Baumann, Elbert Parsons.